So delicious, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a raspberry banana smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, as customary, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about my videos. Continue to watch my videos and share them, guys. That's important. Okay, remember to follow me on all social at Anbooth. Yes, thank you for the following, thank you for the subscribers, my subscribers who have continued to support me, and my new subscriber, thank you for coming on board. Okay, so my smoothie today is raspberry banana smoothie. Okay, so I'm going to get right into the video. Okay, so for this smoothie I have my raspberry, which is frozen, 2 ripe bananas, some chia seed, some pumpkin seed, some yogurt and some coconut water. Alright, it's a Jamaica choice coconut water. Alright, and I have my bullets ready, so I'm gonna get started. So first I'm going to add the banana to the blender. Some more raspberry, it's a red one. Okay. Pumpkin seed, some pumpkin seed, guys. Chia seed, this is my favorite seed. I'm gonna add some of that. Okay, I'm gonna add this yogurt. All the goodies at the bottom of this yogurt. And then I'm gonna add my coconut water. I'm not gonna use all of this. This one don't have any pulp. I'm gonna cover and blend. Okay. Seems like it's all done, guys. All done. So I'm gonna pour this out. Guys, look at my new smoothie cup. I'm gonna pour it out. Look at it. Smoothie. Looking so delicious, guys. So delicious. So delicious, guys. My raspberry banana smoothie tasting so yummy. Yes, guys, this smoothie is made up of 2 bananas, some raspberry, some pumpkin seed, chia seed, and coconut water. Simple, easy ingredients. So go ahead and try this video. You will love it. Okay, this smoothie is delicious. Go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. Okay, remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.